I did the wrong way radio. Trying to watch Ascension. Yeah, I did the wrong radio earlier tonight.
Tornado watch. So Richmond and Liberty until 9 p.m. this evening. The forecast so far in terms of our timeline, the worst of it being from 8 p.m. to midnight, is on track.
Whoa,
The part
that's
that's kind of flustered me in Austin just a little bit today is that the storms are much further north of where the computer guidance said that they were going to be.
And I'm live streaming WHKO. I don't live in Indianapolis, but I like to watch storms and the way.
We expect damaging winds to be the main concern, some small hail, and perhaps a weak
this
tornado
channel,
or
this radio
two.
station live,
But we'll have to see if we thought that the best chance would be 70 and south. Maybe we need to nudge that north a bit. We'll be analyzing that over the next hour or so as we kind of see how storms prevail. These storms have had a history of tornadoes on the ground in Indiana, along with producing some pretty, I won't say monster hail, but bigger hail than what we're used to seeing. We talk about, where you're seeing like little peas, little dimes, your pocket change. I've seen a couple reports of approaching golf ball size hail. That's not something we see very often.
And sorry to zoom in
so
on the wrong,
we'll continue to watch it. But yeah, I would not
in the
also be surprised
120
either to see the tornado watch expanded to include Dayton at some point. Okay. Within the next hour or two.
Whoa, Dayton? You think it's going to Dayton? You think it's going to Dayton?
Yeah, we're watching right now the strongest storm is near Bloomington.
You think that?
Indiana,
I don't know about that, sir.
Southern end.
I don't know about that.
Cluster that you see.
I do not know about that.
So
you really think that
when storms are by themselves like that, they're not competing with others for inflow. They tend to be stronger and more dominant.
Whoa!
And so what I expect from that is that cell probably
I'm sure I'm not using.
Or we'll kind of cycle back and forth between having one down and just being a big, just a big time thunderstorm.
That's an old cassette tape.
At least gets to the Indiana state line.
I don't know who was my grandfather recorded these out there. I was trying to tell him. And there goes Ian. Live chat. Let's see what's on. Probably gonna missing you at some point because next our one on all the techno stations.
Yes, we've had a warm front lifting north.
But actually, instead, they're actually any tendency. There's not that stretching in a an area where there's only like let's say gray, like Atlanta, where there's only it's gray, see, no, then yeah, all that.
I talked a little bit about that at 5 o'clock. If you were watching
and configure, then it was just switching next time. And the station switching to next time. And everybody's working at the technician. We'll show you on my next. We'll keep the job. But not down in Indianapolis. And the same thing down in Cleveland, Ohio. What makes me mad. Because I do like both the EWS and the KYC. Oh, they're staying with the tornado warning. So it probably means it could extend or expire.
You see up there that stretches all the way Lafayette down to Bloomington. Is there anything behind that?
Yeah,
that
there is
to be concerned about.
Yeah, I was actually just chatting with Austin about this. So there's another round of storms, pretty much right behind this.
So I'm worried about. It's actually really good. So, and yeah, I'm watching on this. Sure, I'm not on the bus service on the website. Please be safe today. It'll be cooler tomorrow, and keeping cooler. Put the low front and everything else.